The sense of touch. Let's learn about our 5 senses. In this video, we are going to talk about the sense of touch. With our hands and the skin all around our body, we can touch and feel the things around us. God gave us 2 amazing hands to feel the texture and substance of every object. Things can be hard or soft. The following examples are objects that are hard: rock, hammer, log. Hard. Say that with me. Hard. The following examples are soft: pillow, cotton, feather. Soft. Let's say that together. Soft. Objects can be rough or smooth. Here are examples of objects that are rough: sand, hollow block, jackfruit. Rough. Let's say it together. Rough. Here are examples of things that are smooth: mirror, floor, glass. Smooth. Let's say it together. Smooth. With the help of our sense of touch, we can feel things as hard or soft, or smooth or rough. Thank God for our sense of touch. Let's learn more about our 5 senses next.
Hello friends! Welcome to a new Happy Learning video. Today, we're going to get to know a very nosy sense. Today, we're going to get to know the sense of smell. The sense of smell lets us capture smells from substances. Its organ is the nose, and its function is very simple. Smells travel through air. They enter through the nostrils and arrive at the nasal cavities, where we find the yellow pituitary, which is in charge of capturing smells. This information travels to the brain through the olfactory nerve. And it's here, in the brain, where we identify smells. If smells are good or bad, pleasant or unpleasant, soft or strong. The sense of smell is the most sensitive, since only a minimum quantity of matter stimulates it and makes it react. Humans detect up to 10,000 different smells. But over time, we lose a sense. That's why children can distinguish more smells than adults.